that's all, folks. She's bone dry. I don't like running it down lean like that. God, that thing's loud. Well, I did pretty quick damage on that. That blade was sharp as shit. I don't like it run that lean. I don't know how you guys run yours. I like to turn them. I knew it was getting lean right at that last second. I was like, I want to turn it off. And I heard it. Really whine there for a second. It just lost power and everything. I don't like doing that. No sirree, I don't like it one bit. Okay, here guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope I cut these in half. Saw is leaned out. Now I ain't got the gas and this one ain't finished. I don't think I can even start it for that. Yep, don't go over the hill. Okay. Well, these are all loose. I just want to do a little quick cutting session anyway on this. Yeah, these are all loose. Don't go over the hill. Yep, loose. Okay, these are all loose. I'll tell you what, let's take a couple swings with this Collins. I brought that Collins up. This is an 8-pound Collins I got for Christmas. Well, it broke. Oh. Nice. You know, when it makes that hollow hit, it's good. You guys smell that? You know what I think of it. I don't want to hurt my back. Nice. Well, not bad. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end this one here, I think, so at least I can get a splitting video in. But yeah, I gotta come and finish that cut. I gotta finish a couple here. I gotta get this shit off here, these rocks, and they're blending in with this, what, mushroom crap or mold or whatever, fungus. I might not touch it, I don't know. Might stop right here. I mean, I got 98% of the trees. Boom, done. One cut there I can do, and that's it. Maybe one on that one. But yeah, I'm gonna end this in the woods. Nice day out. Huh. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Maybe we'll get a, what do you call it, splitting video. I'll probably chunk them up here and take them down in this thing. But I'm definitely not going to bore me riding back and forth with loads of stinky oak. Yeah. All right, thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll catch you in another one. Take care.